Yeah. So first entry for your first installment, that is application stage, that is which I have underlined now, just that is amount was payable rupees 20 on application. Yes, for that 2 entries will come. That is, first is when the money is received, company will deposit the money into the bank. So that is bank account debtor to equity share application account, because it is application way, bank account debtor to equity share application account. Amount, yes, 5,000 into rate is 20. 5,000 into rate. How did I get this amount? In the question it is given. This 5,000 and this rate. Multiply maadu. You have to multiply. Fine. So when you multiply, you get here 1 lakh, 1 lakh. Write narration, being equity share application money received. This much also, if you write, is also correct. On 5,000 shares at rupees 20 per share. Next, you are transferring this application money to share capital. So equity share application account debtor to equity share capital account. Yes, equity share application account debtor to equity share capital account. Same amount you will copy and write. B, application money transferred. See, I will be little brief on this because I've explained this 2 times. Okay. Okay. Now you have passed entry for this one sentence. Amount was payable rupees 20 on application. 2 entries are done. Finish. Now you have to pass entry for this second sentence. That is rupees 30 on allotment. So this 30. So amount equity shares H2 amount will be like this: 5,000 into 30. 5,000 this shares, number of shares, rupees 30 given in the question. Send. Now see, 2 entries are passed for this sentence application. Now 2 entries will be passed for this allotment. Yes, company is, this is the second installment money. So these 2 entries will come. Yes, same it is for all the problems. There is no changes. Okay, that's why this chapter is easy. Equity share allotment account debtor to equity share capital account. Fine, equity share allotment account debtor to equity share capital account. Amount just now I told, number of shares 5,000 into 30. 30 rate given. Multiply madi, this much you will get the answer. Being allotment money due. If you write this much also is correct, no problem. But those who want to write, you can write. On how many shares? 5,000 shares. Rupees 30. This both only you are multiplying and you get this answer. Yes. Now allotment due meaning I have told. It is like, principal is calling and telling you, see, so and so money you have to give. Your amount is pending. You have to pay the fees. That step it is. Next step is what? You are coming and giving the money. Fine. You are actually coming and giving the money. Fine. So money is received, money is deposited to the bank. Bank account debtor to equity share allotment account. Bank account debtor to equity share allotment account. Same amount you will write. Being allotment money received. Fine. Yes, I have explained this. So there shouldn't be much problem for you. Now come back to the question. 1 second. Let me rub this. One second, student. Yeah. See, so far you had passed 2 entries on this sentence. Application again, 2 entries are done. Allotment, 2 entries are done. Now for the first and final call, again 2 entries are there. That is for the third installment. See, now the entry will be like this. It is very, very similar to your third and fourth entry. Just now this entry what you have passed. So same, instead of word this allotment, you will write first and final call. Instead of your allotment, you will write first and final call. Remaining else is the same. Here, equity share first and final call account. First and final call is given in the question. Here, question alli kottidare this word. I'm copying it from this only. First and final call. Okay, you don't have to by heart anything or do some anything else. Here, equity share first and final call account debtor to equity share capital account. Amount, number of shares, 50,000 into 5,000 into 50. How is that? See, given in the question. Number of shares, always focus on this. 5,000 rate is 50. Multiply. So it is like this. When you multiply, you will get this 2,50,000, 2,50,000. Fine? Yes, being first and final call money due. On how many shares? 5,000 shares at rupees 50 per share. Fine? Yes. Next, for the money received now, it is like your principal is calling you. See, you have to pay this much fees. Now you are coming to the office, a college office, and you are paying. So the accountant will keep the money into the bank. So bank increases. Similar thing in this company also. Shareholders will come the money, give the money and go. The money will be deposited into the bank. So the bank increases. Bank is an asset. See, first year accountancy this is. So bank account debtor to equity share. First and final call you write, okay? I have told you. First to equity share, same. First and final call account. Amount weight. Here, why the amount will be little different? Because you come back to the question. What it says, see? Question says here, see, all the shares were subscribed, the money duly received, except the first and final call on 200 shares. On 200 shares, money was not received. So out of this 5,000, in this 5,000 students, if 5,000 in the 200 shares mele duddu siglilla. So on 200 shares, money is not received. So you're going to minus this. That is 4,800 you will get. That into the rate. Rate is how much? 50 you should do. Fine? Yes. Same thing. I have told you before. See, 5,000 minus 200. Why I'm doing 200? Because they have given the question. On 200 shares, money is not received. So you will minus it. You will get 4,800 into 50. Once again, I will tell why did I minus it. Minus yake madidvi question alli it is given. See, come back to the question. Sorry. See, it is given because of this sentence, except first and final call on 200 shares. 200 shares mele first, last installment money is not received. Yes, the third installment, 200 shares money was not received. That's why we are deducting it. Minus it, you'll get 4,800 into 50. Why 50? Because this is a rate here. Multiply, you'll get 2,40,000, 2,40,000. Right? Being shared, first call money, final call money received on 4,800. Fine? Yes. Now next was this, the seventh entry. Why we are passing the seventh entry? Come back to the question. Because of this one sentence, the directors decided to forfeit these shares. Forfeit andre cancel. Suppose if you are not paying the fees, your seat will be cancelled. You will not be given hall ticket. So it is cancellation. Forfeit means cancel. Directors are cancelling. What they are cancelling? Yes, these shares. Oh, you can. Once again, students. Yeah. These shares is what here? That is this 200 shares. The directors decided to forfeit. Forfeit andre cancel. Cancel these shares. These shares means that is this 200 shares the directors will cancel. I will repeat it once again. Maybe I'll come back. Yeah. See, because of this sentence, the directors decided to forfeit these shares. So directors means just like principal, the main director of the company, decided to forfeit matlab cancel. Why they are cancelling? Because money is not paid. It's like you have not paid the fees, your seat will be cancelled. On these shares, these means the 200 shares. On these 200 shares, the shares are cancelled. So the entry will be like this. I've explained this in the previous class. Just once again, I'm brushing it up. That is equity share capital account debtor to forfeited shares account to equity share final call account. Yes, first and final call also you can write equity share capital account debtor to forfeited shares account to equity share final call account. Okay, how to write the amount? Number of shares cancelled is 200. So write here 200. You can write this or not. If you write this also fine. If you are not writing this also is fine. Okay, this is just for understanding. I've written. If you want, you write. Otherwise, you leave. 200 into 100. Why 100? The share capital rate. Question here. This rate it is. Share capital rate is always this 100. Remember, okay? So 200 into 100. Forfeit 200 into, we'll see what it is. Equity share final call 200 into 50. How this 50 came? because given in the question. See here, this 50. First final rate is 50. Yes. Into 50. Okay. Once again, I will write and show here for you. You write like this. You can write it like this here. 200 into, please write this, bracket only, very important. Then 200 into 200 into. Here always capital rate is 100 given in the question. First sentence, multiply money, you will get 20,000. This you don't know, we'll calculate. 200 into final call rate is 50. So this 100 minus 50 is a 50. Multiply, you will get this much. Right? Okay. Now what this 20 and 30 means? 20 and 30 means it is the application rate and allotment rates here. 20 and 30 it was there. No, this 20 it is 20 and 30. The meaning is what, you know, students? Meaning is on these 200 shares, see, first and final call money is not received, but application and allotment money is received. Point is that why this 20 and 30? It is because final call money is not received, but first and application and allotment money is received. So that will be written here. Yes, this is actually gain for the company ke labha, so it is credited. I will explain that part in the next entry. Okay. Yes. Now let's come back to the 8th entry, student. Wait, I'll rub this. Yeah. Now we are going to write this 8th entry. For that, we'll come back to the question. See, we have entered the entry till here. See, this is a very important part. Each sentence entry you understood, no? Equity share capital account debtor to forfeited shares account to final call account. Now you have to pass entry for this sentence. Reissue at 90 per share, fully paid up. See, very important. Please listen carefully. Reissued at 90 per share at rupees 90 per share as fully paid up. Now, what is the meaning of this? Reissued andre, you know, for example, college will reopen. Reopen andre? Again, it is beginning. So reissued means what? Again, it is giving to someone. Again, the company is selling the shares to someone. Someone name is we don't know. Someone, maybe it is I can say Ritika, Neha, Adish and all. Okay, maybe one person company is selling it. At how much? 90 per share. See, actually rate was 100. 100 in the 90 they have done. Their company has reduced. Company has made little discount here. 90 per share. Anta. So for this one entry will come. What is that? You see, somebody is coming and giving the purchasing. Money he is giving. So when money he is giving, what they do? Company will deposit it to the bank. No, bank increases. So 8th entry, student, very important. Bank account debtor, because money, see, company is reissuing it to someone. Okay, he is coming and giving money to the company. Yes, it is like your seat was cancelled. Somebody else is telling, I will take the admission. Okay, so he is coming and giving money to the principal. So principal is depositing that money into the bank. Similar it is. So 200 shares money is not received. No, so that 200 shares is given to someone else. He is coming and giving the money. So that money is deposited into the bank. Bank account debtor, forfeited shares account debtor to equity share capital account. Yes, write this entry. Please write the entry, student, just now. Bank account debtor. Calculation I will tell, do not write. Bank account debtor, forfeited shares account debtor to equity share capital account. Write this entry. Bank account debtor, forfeited shares account debtor to equity share capital account. Yes, write this entry. I will give 1 minute time. Write this narration also. Being a narration, another reason for this entry. Being a reissue of 200 forfeited shares at 90 per share. If you are getting confused, idella hege by heart madudu anta, don't worry. Question ali ee sentence is there, no, same you write. Being you write, being a reissue at 90 per share as fully paid up. Narration, students, do not by heart anything. Question ali en kottidar sentence alla, that only you write here. Being a reissued at 90 per share. Yes, same sentence you will write here. Being a reissue of how many? 200 forfeited shares at 90 fully paid up. Question only, that sentence also you can write, okay? It is not wrong. Okay, fine. Now calculation how to do here. Reissued, come back to the question once again. See, reissue offer 90 per share at fully paid up. Which is reissued? Which shares are reissued? Not this 5,000. These 200 shares are reissued. So the entry will be passed on a 200 shares only. Here. So just write here 200 into 200 into 200 into. All the entry will be on those 200 shares. Bank, how much money it is reissued? See the question. It is issued at 90 rupees it is selling. So 90 rupees money the company is receiving and it is deposited into the bank. So 200 into 90, you will get 18,000. Yes, this we will wait. This we will calculate next. Equity share capital rate is what? Just now I told in the question. Seventh entry LEC capital rate, how much we have taken? Capital rate is 100. It is given in the question. This one. Capital rate is this. First sentence in kodtarala question. That is only the capital rate, 100. But it is reissued for 90. Yes? Yeah, 100. So 90 minus 100 is how much? 10. So 10 rupees. Into 10 is forfeit. You multiply here 18,000, 2,000, 20,000. Yes? Okay. I will explain this once again. Please write this. I will explain this once again, students. Yeah. Now we have passed entry for this, right? The directors decided to forfeit this share. Seventh entry we have done. That is equity share capital account debtor to forfeited shares account to final call account. Now you have to pass entry for this sentence. One entry will come. What is this? Reissued at 90 per share, fully paid up. Fully paid up andre full it is purchased. Again, otherly someone has not given anta. Reissued. Which shares are reissued? 200 shares, somebody had not given money. So that 200 shares is been given to someone else. Please listen carefully, student, this thing. 200 shares amount was not given. So those 200 shares is given to someone else. Okay, for example, you have not paid the fees. So we will cancel your seat and we will give that seat to someone else. So that person will give the money. Yes, but here they are reissuing at 90 rupees. Company is doing little discount. It was actually 100 rupees. It is doing little less. So those 200 shares, maybe I can see from Ritika has not given the money. It will be given it to Neha. Someone else is purchasing it. So reissued at 90 per share. So this entry will come. Yes. See, someone else is coming and giving the money, no? Money company will deposit into the bank. So bank increases. So that's why bank account debtor will come. Bank account debtor, forfeited shares account debtor to equity share capital account. Yes. Being reissue of 200 forfeited shares at 90 fully paid up. The sentence question in the copy madi bariri, no problem. Now amount how to write? How many shares are reissued? 200. So right? 200 into 200 into 200 into. It is reissued at how much rupees? 90 given in the question. See that. So into 90 you do. This we don't know. We will calculate now. Equity share capital rate is how much? Always capital rates in the seventh entry also you have taken. Capital rate is always 100. Yes, that is 100. So 100 minus 90 if you do, you will get 10. Multiply, you will get this much. Fine? Okay. I hope you have understood. There is one, okay, take your time. And there is one important thing I want to tell now. Sorry, I will discard this. Yeah. Now students, some students might ask, ma'am, why in the seventh entry, forfeiture is coming in the credit side? And why in the eighth entry, forfeiture is coming in the debit side? This is just for conceptual understanding what I'm telling now. Those who want to go for the, to understand this, why your forfeited account is coming in the debit side. And seventh entry only, why we are writing this forfeited entry into the credit side. Just I will explain it. Okay, just for your explanation it is. It is because students, this 200 shares now, On these 200 shares, see, 200 shares mele, first installment money company is receiving. Second installment, that is allotment, company is receiving. Third installment, call money company is not receiving. But these two money company is receiving. So it is a gain for the company. It is actually a gain for the company. So income gain is always credited. It is the accountancy rule. If you have studied in first PUC, I don't know. Always remember, income gain, it is always credited. Yes, see, for example, if I receive salary, I will get a message in the mobile, no? So much of salary is credited, anta, isn't it? Now, if your parents have put some pocket money in your account, mobile ali message in bartade, rupees 5,000 is been credited in your account. So money you have received. That's why here, this is the company receive agudu amount. Company is receiving the amount. That's why it is credited. And now here, why we are debiting this? Why we are debiting this? Because these students, this 10 rupees is a loss for the company. Why it is loss? See, let's look at the question. See, this is just for conceptual and artha madlikke problem. It is because the actual rate of the company was 100, but it is reissuing it for reissue marta ide 90. It is loss, no? The cost of the chocolate was 100 rupees. The shopkeeper is giving for 90 rupees, and 10 rupees is lost for him. Similarly, the share of one share value was 100 rupees, but the company is last, it is giving for 90 rupees. So it is a loss for the company. So loss is always debited. So yes, for example, you go and purchase a t-shirt. You paid to your card. Nimge message in bartade mobile alli. This much money is debited anta bartade. Debited andre always a minus agide anta. Nimge loss agide anta. Debited means the money has gone out from your account. Credited means money has come into your account. So here it is debited because this is a loss for the company. Actual rate was 100, but it is selling it for 90 rupees. Less it is loss. So 10 rupees is loss. So on how many shares? 200. So total this 2000 is a loss for the company. Actual, the meaning is like this. Why here forfeiture we are debiting and forfeiture in the 7th entry we are crediting. Okay, do not get confused. E part again I will explain the next problem also. You don't worry. So maybe another there is one more entry, students, last entry. I want to finish it, but what I have explained it now, no, once again I will tell if you have not understood this. Yeah, 1 minute. I will clear this. Yeah. So far you have understood. I will explain 7th entry. I will explain it once again, students. 7th entry. Is the question. Okay. 7th entry is for this. The directors decided to forfeit these shares. Directors forfeit and cancel. These under which shares? Yes, this 200 shares. So entry will come like this. That is equity share capital account debtor to forfeited shares account to equity share final call account. Yes, I have explained this once again, just I'm brushing it up. Okay, why forfeited is credited here? Because I will tell, we'll write the calculation first. Amount was 200 shares. Here also 200 shares, 200 shares. Yeah, capital rate is always 100 given in the question. Multiply Madi, you'll get 20,000. This we will see later. Final call rate is 50 given in the question. You'll note. Final call rate was here 50. 50. Yes, multiply and write. Yeah. How this 50 you got? That is 100 minus 50 or 20 plus 30. 20 is a application rate. See the question. Allotment rate was 30. When you plus also you will get 50. That means company ge 50 rupees is a gain, labha agide. 200 shares alli. See the question. See, application money is received. Allotment is received. Final call money is not received on 200 shares. But application money sikkide 20 rupees. Allotment, this money is received 30 rupees. 50 rupees is a gain for the company. That's why we are crediting that amount. Fine. Okay. Now, 8th entry, which I told just now, that is for this sentence, question nodi, for this sentence. Reissued at 90 per share. Reissued, which shares are issued? 200 shares only. Someone did not pay the money on 200 shares. So company is giving it to someone else. Yes, now see, Lenisha is not paid. So Pallavi is purchasing. So company is getting the money. That's why the entry will be like this. Money comes in because maybe Lenisha or whoever it is, Pallavi is giving the money to the company. Company will deposit the money into the bank. So bank account debtor. Forfeited shares account debtor. Why forfeited is debited here? Because it is a loss for the company. To equity share capital account. Rate, right? 200 into 200 into 200. Yes. Illi 90 how? Given in the question. Reissue rate is there. Sorry. See here. Reissue rate is 90. Our capital rate is 100. See here. Reissue rate 90, capital rate 100. 100 minus 90 is 10. This is loss. Actually, cost of one share was 100 rupees, but company is reissuing it to some person for 90 rupees. It is loss, Allah. 10 rupees is loss. Loss is always debited. Because see, from my salary, if I'm paying it to something, my rent or something, money goes out. It is debited and the message bartade nange. Okay, so it is debited. Being reissue of 200 forfeited shares. There is one more last entry, student. Simple it is. Okay, last entry. This will end your 12 marks problem. Write this. Forfeited shares account debtor to capital reserve account. Yes, forfeited shares account debtor to capital reserve account. Please write it. Forfeited shares account debtor to capital reserve account. B in a balance in forfeiture account. That is 10,000 minus 2,000. I will tell, okay, meaning what it is. Transferred to capital reserve account. Last balance in irtade will be transferred to your capital reserve. Yes. Okay. Forfeited shares account debtor to capital reserve. Now, what is this capital reserve? Capital reserve under students. For example, I have a company. What I will do from my last year's profit, I will keep a certain amount reserve. Anta. Why I will keep it separated? Because in future, if there is any unexpected thing like this, COVID time or maybe fire, theft, something nange suddenly loss aitu. Avaga that amount I will use. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ savings there. From my last year's profit, I will keep certain amount and keep. Enadru unexpected things will happen because business is unexpected only, no. So here, the balance amount will be transferred to capital reserve. Forfeited shares account debtor to capital reserve account. Amount how to write? Do not get confused. I will tell you. Your 7th entry ಅಲ್ಲಿ forfeiture ಗೆ amount ಏನು ಬಂದಿದೆ? 7th entry forfeiture amount was 10,000. Remember this, 10,000. 8th entry ಅಲ್ಲಿ forfeiture amount was how much? 2,000. Yes, I will tell it once again. 7th entry forfeiture amount was 10,000. 10,000 was credited. In 8th entry, 2,000 was debited. Same, just both you have to minus. Both you minus 10,000 minus 2,000. If you'll do, you'll get 8,000. That's it. This ends your problem. B, balance in forfeited share account. That is 10,000 minus 2,000 transferred to capital reserve. Yes, what is the meaning of this here? See, 10,000 was credited. 10,000 again, it was a profit. From that, 2,000 was a debited loss. Again, 8,000 is remaining. It is like what, 10,000, it was there in your bank. In that 2,000 became kharch, something expensive. But still you have how much money? 8,000 you have. That is transferred to your capital reserve. It is transferred to your capital reserve. Yes, it is now any company is going to use this amount for the next any loss adre. Fine. This ends your 12 marks problem, students. Do not worry if you are confused or you didn't understand, because we will solve similar problems. And 12 marks again, like this only, the entries will not change. Okay, 12 marks entries same if you know is enough. There is no changes also. Okay, it is not like first year, like one sentence, then you have to pass some other entry. No, all these 9 entries if you know is enough. Okay, for 12 marks compulsory problem it is. I will unmute you all, students. If you all have any doubts, please ask me. Yeah, I think you can unmute and talk now. You can talk, right? You please tell me, have you understood at least? Yeah, have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, Neha.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yes.
Yeah, good. See, if you have not understood also, don't worry. Similar again, many problems I will solve. So somewhere here and there doubts, if you have, no, I will clear it. Okay. So Dishant, Disha, Namisha, have you understood? See, you can unmute and talk. You can talk to your friends. You can talk to me, anything. Still, there are 2 minutes time. Ananya, Adish. Adish, arthaita?
ಹೌದು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Okay, good. Notes you all write and send me, okay? Okay. Okay. So Kirtan, Naveed, have you all understood? Muskan. Is that Sean? Sean is here. He was the first person to enter. Have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then Sherwin, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Then Ansia is here. Ansia is not. Niharika, Rahul, see, please tell me if you have understood. You can unmute and talk to each other. No, see, there's just 1 minute time. Okay. Afia, have you understood? Rolvin?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Ramya, have you understood? Ramya, Hazel, any doubts?
No, ma'am, understood.
Okay. See, one thing, remember, okay, why that forfeiture is debited and why forfeiture is credited. Remember, it is debited because if it will be a loss. It will be credited when it is gain. Okay, company get loss when it is giving it for less money. 100 it is giving it for 90 rupees. So 10 rupees is lost. That's why. Okay. Yeah. Anyone? Shirish, Yashwit, Shivani. Okay.
Understood, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.